Today we will study about the lesion 9 syndrome. What is the lesion 9 syndrome or the Kelly-Smickler syndrome? Is a rare hereditary disorder that affects the body ability to break down and build the purine. Purine considered namely adenine and guanine. A purine basis is a protein found in normally healthy body tissue and that make the body's blueprint. They are also important for the metabolism of RNA and DNA that make up our genetic code, and this mutation causes uric acid buildup and cause the neurological disability and cell injury. What is the cause of pathophysiology? Lesion 9 is caused by mutation in the HPRT1 gene, a X-linked recessive disorder, making it a sex-linked disorder. Who is it most common in? LNS occur in similar frequency in all races but more common in males. 1 in 380,000 people are infected by LNS. If female are diagnosed LNS usually present asymptomatic, but if not, the only symptoms in severe GERD. What part of the body does it affect? In effect, blood, urine, joints, bone, muscles, body tissue, DNA, kidney, bladder, nervous system. Bodily harm is common symptoms with LNS causing injury to various parts of the body. What are the symptoms? Symptoms of LNS are irritability, nervous system impairment, jerking motion, blood in urine, pain and swelling in joints, difficulty swallowing, behavior problem, self-injury, balance problem, delay in motor development, too much muscle tone, kidney failure, puberty is delayed, testes shrink, uric acid overproduction, arthritis, failing of limbs, kidney bladder stones, growth is delayed, learning disability, aggregation, manipulative behavior, dystoma, tensing of muscles, spastic cerebral palsy, contraction of muscles. Some are the symptoms. What are the onset of symptoms? Most symptoms of LNS are congenital, but some aren't present at birth. As the individual get older, the symptoms are more severe. In infancy stages, 12 months, patient usually experience delayed motor function, and 6 to 18 month patient experience chorea and involuntary movement with their bodies. What are the exam and test? Physician can diagnose LNS by physical examinations, spot test and genetic testing. In physical examination, a doctor look for a certain symptoms common for the disease but can lead to a misdiagnosis of cerebral palsy, mental retardation or other metabolic disorder. In a spot test, doctor look for a high uric acid in blood and urine to help diagnose LNS, but result can lead to other metabolic disorder. Lastly, physician can perform molecular genetic mutation test on HPRT gene to physically see the म्यूटेशन टू लीड टू एन 100% डायग्नोसिस. यानी HPRT जीन में अगर म्यूटेशन हो गया तो यूरिक एसिड का क्वांटिटी बढ़ जाती है एंड दैट लीड टू द LNS डिसीज. What is the treatment? There are no FDA approved drug to treat LNS, but there are drugs in clinical stages of the testing. Doctor and researcher have broken down the disease into its major symptoms and treat symptomatically with the drugs and support within the family. What is the prognosis? When a patient has LNS, death is usually in 20s or 30s, with a few reaching their 40th birthday. Death is usually from aspiration pneumonia or complication of nephrolithiasis. Sometimes sudden death is idiopathic. Thank you.